Hello, my name is Veronica Starchenko. I'm from Potomac, Maryland in the USA, and this is Pocket PubMed. Pocket PubMed is an Android app built in Android Studio using the Java language. What is PubMed and why does it need a Pocket mode? PubMed is a free database for scientific and medical articles. It's created and run by the National Institutes of Health. It allows users to easily search the internet for articles that might help them in their scientific research. However, the website is geared towards laptops and desktops, both in visual and programmatic design, and it can be difficult to navigate on mobile. Here is an example of PubMed being used on a phone. As you can see, there are issues depicting certain parts of the website, and there are parts of the website that block other elements. Overall, the site is significantly more difficult to use for a mobile user. This is where Pocket PubMed comes in. It's geared specifically for mobile devices, and it's easy to find articles, view the article's basic information, and find the full article just like normal PubMed. It also contains bonus features such as saving the user's search history and tapping on an article to read its synopsis. Here is an example of Pocket PubMed being used on a phone. As you can see, it's easy to see the title, basic information about an article, and even link to a full text. Here is an example of the history page. A user can click on the search to research it. Here's an example of clicking on an article to show its synopsis. This has been PubMed. Thank you.